All right, so this is the storm on February 6th, 2020. You can see all my neighbors' yards drain into this bank, and then this crap happens. That's an old pecan tree. Right here used to be a pecan tree. We cut those down a few years ago. One of them fell. Right there is a storm drain that's completely submerged. There's a bicycle that's completely submerged right there to give you an idea how deep this is. And there's a sewer clean out right there that is completely submerged. That's at least 7 to 8 inches deep. This is my sewer line. Over here, we follow the babbling brook to my other drain, which is completely submerged. That's my neighbor's drain. That is my drain right there. Follow me. The fun continues. As you can see around the house, we're on a hill, nothing bad. Carport looks pretty good. Backyard looks pretty good. There's my boy Oreo shaking off. He's ready to come back in. Down here I have a storm drain that I believe drains off into the front yard. This right here. You can see by Oreo's foot, we're completely underwater. Here you go, buddy. I'm keeping him in here for now, safer. He's dry, don't worry. And his brother over here, he's dry too. These crates are pretty good. Let him out. They've been cooped up all day. These boxes are ruined. And over here you can see I've got an inch of standing water by my water heater. And fortunately for me, I got a drip pan underneath my air handler, and it's holding the water back from it. It's on bricks, so maybe it'll be okay. My stairs are in water.